A group of 47 residents from Assam has filed a contempt petition in the Supreme Court accusing authorities of violating an important order issued by the court. The Supreme Court had previously ruled that no demolitions should take place across the country without its permission. However, this rule did not apply to encroachments on public roads, footpaths, railway lines, or water bodies. The residents claim that their homes were marked for demolition without any prior notice, even though the court's order was clear. They have requested the court to take action against the officials responsible for this violation. The case will be heard by a bench of Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice K.V. Vishwanathan. The petitioners also highlighted a prior order from the Guwahati High Court where the Assam Advocate General promised that no action would be taken against them until their representations were considered. Despite this, the authorities allegedly proceeded with demolitions, further violating the court's instructions. The residents have lived in their homes for decades, supported by legal agreements with the original landowners. While they don't claim ownership, they argue their presence on the land is legal and recognized by these agreements. They've also been provided with essential services like electricity, ration cards, and voter IDs based on their long-term residency. The petition emphasizes that the authorities acted unlawfully by not issuing proper eviction notices as required by the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation. The residents claim their fundamental rights under Articles 14, 15, and 21 of the Constitution, including the right to housing, have been violated as they were not given a chance to defend themselves before their homes were marked for demolition. If you wish to read this news in detail, click on the link in the description or visit our website www.livelaw.in. And for more such legal updates, stay tuned to Live Law.